This seat is out of a early, I believe it was early 2000s, prior to 2010, I believe, Toyota Tacoma. So it was one of the back seats of a 4-door version. I'm gonna clean this thing up.
Hi, Dad.
Hi.
I got.
Yes.
We have to hammer this in. So first we're gonna wash. That is a lot of dog hair.
It is.
And I kind of saw you.
And you kind of. Let's turn up the suction. Max power. Yeah, there we go. More power. Oh, oh, oh. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Don't tell Mom I'm using her massage gun.
Okay. Wait, what if Mommy watches it?
Huh?
What if Mommy watches it?
See all that dirt moving around? Go back that way, right here. Oh, look how nice that looks. Oh, of course it's raining now. All right, knocked off the rust. Sprayed them with a little bit of this. We're gonna go to Uncle Jared's house. All right, take us there.
Okay. I can go backwards. I'm making it go backwards.
Make it go forwards.
Backwards, okay.
No, you're not even looking behind you. And you're making it go backwards?
Okay, we crashed.
Oh, we just built this truck and you crashed it? Man.
Okay, backwards. Okay, we crashed.
Oh my god. I'm not letting you drive anymore.
Tumbleweed Garage.